Hello aspirants, so today I am discussing some mensuration formulas with you, and these formulas are very much important for banking aspirants. Okay, so all the topics are not so much important of mensuration, but there are some topics which are very much important for banking exams. So first is rectangle. You should know the formula of rectangle. So area of the rectangle is L into B. It means length into breadth. Okay, then comes perimeter of the rectangle. It is 2L plus B. Then length of diagonal. What is length of diagonal? So see, this is a rectangle, and if this is a diagonal, then we know then the side of each angle is 90 degree in rectangle. So it is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle you will get perpendicular, and you will get base, and you will get hypotenuse. Okay, so this diagonal is hypotenuse, and you already know that according to Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to h square. Okay, so according to this, perpendicular is breadth and base is length. So length square plus breadth square, length square plus breadth square is equal to h square, and h is diagonal's length. So you can write this simply under root L square plus B square. Okay, this is simple. Now comes square. Area of square is side square. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side. Then length of diagonal is a root 2. What? A root 2. Now you see, this is a square. Now you know in square all the sides are equal. So this is also a, this is also a, and all the angles in a square is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem in this also. Then you will get a square plus a square under root. Okay, so you will get 2a square under root. Then this a will come outside, and root 2 will remain as it is. Okay, so this is a length of diagonal of square. Okay, now comes next. So these rhombus and trapezium are not so much important for banking exams because these topics comes under geometry. So geometry is not asked in banking exams. So what are the important formulas? I am discussing that much only. Okay, now you should know the formulas of circle. So diameter is 2 into r, area of circle is pi r square, perimeter or circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, and there is one question related to number of revolutions. So number of revolutions is equal to total distance covered upon distance covered in one round. Okay, and this distance covered in one round is equal to the circumference of the circle. So this is very much simple. Now comes 3D formulas. These are very much important for banking aspirants. Okay, so first of all, cuboid. So cuboid area or total surface area is equal to 2 lb, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Then comes area of 4 walls. This area of 4 walls means you are excluding the floor, and you are excluding the upper part of the room. So the remaining area will be of 4 walls. So this is 2h L plus B. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Okay, diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, and if there is a question that asked the largest rod in a room, largest stick in a room, then you have to find the diagonal of cuboid. Okay, this is very much important. Now comes cube. So in cube all sides are equal. So area or total surface area is equal to 6a square. Okay, area of 4 walls is equal to 4a square. Length of diagonal is equal to a root 3, and volume is equal to a cube. Volume is equal to a cube or side cube. Okay, now comes cylinder. In cylinder there are curved surface area, total surface area, and volume. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, where h is the height, r is the radius. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. It means curved surface area plus area of base. It means this one part and upper part. So 2 pi r square of this. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, and you can write this simply 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Okay, this is the shortest formula of total surface area of cylinder. If volume, and volume is equal to pi r square h of cylinder. Okay, pi r square h. Now you can simply make the formulas of hollow cylinder also like this only. The only change will be thickness. Okay, so thickness is outer radius minus inner radius. This is the basic need for hollow cylinder. Okay, and now sphere is total surface area is 4 pi r square, volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, and hemisphere is like this, and like you had seen bowl. Okay, that bowl is hemisphere in shape. ठीक है, तो CSA और LSA lateral surface area और curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r square, and total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay, and volume is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, so last one is cone. So cone slant height. In cone there is a slant height. You had seen cone like this. Okay, in this is 90, this is height, this is radius, and this one part is L, small l, and small l is slant height. Okay, so there is a formula of small l. It is according to Pythagoras. L square is equal to r square plus h square. Radius square plus height square is equal to slant height ka square. Okay, now comes CSA of cone. CSA of cone is pi r l, where r is the radius and l is the slant height. Okay, total surface area of cone is pi r l plus pi r square. Okay, volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So these are the formulas you must know for banking exams in mensuration. Okay, thank you.